everybody. Welcome back to Quincy Cattle Company. We are going to be featuring a new cut of beef today to our series. We're going to be focusing on the flank steak today. There's lots of applications for this flank steak. Today we're going to use it to make fajitas. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Today we are going to use a Florida Cattle Rancher's fresh flank steak. Super flavorful cut of beef. May not be the tenderest cut we offer, but we have a marinade that's going to fix that today. So with our marinade, we are going to start with some pineapple juice. We're also going to add some lime juice, some olive oil, some Worcestershire sauce, some cumin and some chili powder, some smoked paprika and kosher salt, some garlic, and some red pepper and some black pepper. We're going to whisk all this together to get everything to mix just right. Once we have this whisk, we're going to go get a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. We're going to place the steak in the Ziploc bag as well as the marinade, and we're going to let it set for 4 hours. We'll see you guys back in a bit. We are back at you. We are going to go ahead and cut up our vegetables. We prefer poblano peppers and onions, but you can definitely use any vegetable of your choice. It's time to season our vegetables for our fajitas. We're going to use a little bit of Quincy Cattle Company Legacy seasoning. And we're ready to go. We now have our preheated cast iron skillet. We're going to go ahead and put our marinated flank steak in there. We're going to cook it on each side for approximately 3 minutes. Okay, we've now got our flank steak out of our cast iron pan. We've let it rest here on our cutting board for a few minutes to redistribute those juices. Now we get to look and see what we've created. One thing I want to pause for just a moment and let's talk about, and that is when we cut a piece of meat, we always want to cut against the grain. So when you look at your beef, if you notice the flank steak is the fibers are running this way. If we were to cut the steak this way, it would be very tough and stringy. We always want to cut any piece of beef across the grain. That's super important. So when we make the cut here, we are going to have a much more tender piece of meat than if we would cut it in the opposite direction. And this is looking beautiful. And we'll be right back with some finished fajitas. Everybody, we have our finished product of our fajitas. We hope you enjoy these as much as we do, and we hope that you like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and we look forward to visiting with you again. See you soon.